What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing some pre-cut, already sliced individual beef ribs. These are a little bit cheap kind of beef ribs that we got from the supermarket. They were on sale for about $5 a pack, and I got about 2 packs with him, about 10 to 11 of them. And these beef ribs are not as meaty as normally, but they're more bone than anything, but they are going to be delicious. They are going to be good, and I'm going to show you how to do a cheap cut of meat to make it tender, juicy, moist, and delicious. Guys, you don't have to buy these expensive cuts of meat just to make dinner happen, guys. Cheap cuts of meat sometimes are the way to go. And how we gonna do it? On this bad boy right there. Yeah, the Pit Boss Awesome Excel. Guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how it's done. So let's turn the power on and take it to the smoke setting. Right now, we're outside at 95 degrees in my backyard. And as always, guys, open your chamber. And if you have a smokestack, open that as well. All right, guys, as soon as you see smoke come out of the fire chamber, we're gonna close the lid. And we're gonna crank our temperatures up to 250 degrees, guys, and we're gonna let this warm up till it come up to temp. Looks like we hit our target temperature. We are at 260 at this point. And take a look at these beautiful sliced pre-cut ribs. These are some gigantic dinosaur beef ribs, guys. Take a look at these beauties. And as always, guys, I'm gonna spray with a little bit of canola oil on the grates. All right, guys, we're about to place these beauties inside the pit. All right, guys, as you can see, I placed it right inside the center, and I got 2 extra pieces that I just put on the side. And we're gonna let this rock and roll, baby. Let's take a look at our ribs. Oh yeah. Take a look at these beauties. It's only been 45 minutes, guys. Wow. They are looking pretty. What I'm gonna do, guys, is spritz them a little bit with a little bit of beef consomme and beef broth mixed together, and just to moisten them up just a tad bit. And in about another half an hour or so, I'm gonna pull them off and wrap them so that they can get tenderized, juicy, and moist. All right, so let's press these babies up. This is gonna ensure some moisture and give them a nice sheen, just to help it caramelize and get that color that we are trying to achieve. So let's talk about the step process we got going on today. We took our pre-cut, pre-sliced individual beef ribs, and we just marinated for about 15-20 minutes. We used the grapeseed oil as a binder, and then we hit it with some Micro Petrie's rib wrap. Oh man, that stuff is some good stuff, guys. And then we hit it with a little bit extra flavor with that Pit Boss Java Chop House. Woo. Perfect blends for beef ribs, guys. I mean, I'm choosing to do something different today because I normally go with some Montreal steak seasoning, but today I just want to do it a little bit different. And so far so good, guys, that those ribs are getting a nice bark. They're not getting dry at all. So I just, I'm spritzing it every half an hour with a little bit of beef consomme and beef broth. So we're cooking it at 250 degrees for about an hour and a half, maybe 2. And then we're gonna wrap them up with some heavy duty aluminum foil and let them tenderize. Oh man, it's gonna be so good, guys. Guys, y'all stay tuned because we're gonna finish these bad boys up. Oh man, I can't wait for the taste test, guys. Look at this. Both thermometers are reading just about the exact same temperature. Oh man. So let's take a look at our babies. Oh yeah, look at that brown mahogany color, guys. Take a look at these beauties. Oh man. Let me take the one in the middle. Take a look at that, guys. Oh yeah. And as you can see, look, that bark is already set. And just a little pro tip, guys, if you scratch the surface and the rub comes off, that means your bark is not set. You got some more cooking to do. But since we already scratched the surface twice, that bark is already set, guys. All right, guys, take a look at these ribs. As you can see, they are beautiful. Got that nice mahogany color to them. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra flavor with a little bit of Mrs. Dash. This is optional, you don't have to do this, guys. Just to give it a little bit of extra kick or flavor. And a little bit of thyme. This little bit of thyme gonna go a long way, guys. So just use a little bit. You can use rosemary as you want, but I'm just gonna use thyme. And I'm gonna use that spritz bottle, but I'm gonna open this up and pour my beef consomme and beef raw mixed together. And I'm just gonna do it on the side, guys. Just a little bit. I don't wanna ruin that bark whatsoever. Alright, guys, make sure you use some heavy duty aluminum foil to cover this up. Make sure that there's no steam that can escape from this particular aluminum pan. We're gonna steam this up. We're gonna tenderize it for about half an hour, and it's gonna be nice, juicy, and moist, guys. All right, folks, the moment of truth. Now be careful when you open this up because it's gonna be hot, full of steam. Oh yeah. Take a look at that, guys. So let's probe it for tenderness and doneness. Now keep in mind, these ribs are more bone towards the middle and more meat towards the sides. So I'm just gonna poke the sides. All right. Not quite done yet, so we're gonna go for another 15-20 minutes, possibly half an hour. All right, guys, it's been another half an hour, and we're about to check on these beauties to see what they look like now. And as I stated earlier, guys, please be careful when you take the cover off. Oh yeah. You can't tell me that don't look good, guys. All right, guys, so let's check for tenderness. Oh yeah. Yep. These are done, guys. Yep, no resistance whatsoever. Take a look at these gorgeous ribs, guys. Oh yeah. Oh man. You can see the moisture are still on these bad boys. And it's time for the best part. Let's do a taste test. I got my lovely wife. Hey babe. So, dig in. Choose whichever one. Take a look at that. Wow. Oh yeah, look at that. Take a look at that smoke ring. How is it?
It's good.
My wife's still tearing it up. So let me do my taste test. Take a look at that right there. Oh yeah. Juicy. Blend your favor. I'm going in for another bite. Packed with flavor. The Michael Petrie's rib seasoning. The Pitbull's Java chop house definitely shining right through. This is amazing, guys. You don't have to buy expensive cuts of meats. You can buy the cheap cuts of meats to feed your family. And like I said, this was very cheap. And this is gonna be able to feed about good 7 to 8, maybe 10 people, depending on how greedy they are. But simple cooking for a home meal, Sunday meal. Can't beat that.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like barbecue and you like grilling, this is your channel right here. Make sure you subscribe to us right now and share this video with all your family and friends and tell them about Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Until next time, guys, peace.